Welcome to Bananomics. Today, we're talking about one of the weirdest and most dangerous things in the entire monkey economy, financial bubbles. And don't worry, because there are no complicated charts, no boring economists, and definitely no monkeys wearing glasses pretending they understand everything. Around here, we explain things with monkeys, bananas, and leaves. Because let's be honest, if economists can make simple things confusing, monkeys can make confusing things hilarious. So first, what exactly is a financial bubble? Well, imagine a bunch of monkeys discovering a new kind of banana. At first, they buy it because they actually want to eat it. Pretty reasonable. But then one monkey notices that banana prices keep going up and says, wait a second, why eat bananas when I can sell them to another monkey for even more leaves? Suddenly, nobody is buying bananas to eat anymore. Everybody is buying bananas because they think another monkey will pay even more tomorrow. Congratulations, monkeys. You have officially created a banana bubble. And every bubble follows 4 stages. First comes discovery. A few clever monkeys notice something new and exciting. Maybe it's tulips, maybe it's houses, maybe it's internet companies, maybe it's AI-powered banana peel removers. Whatever it is, early monkeys start making money. Then comes the boom. More monkeys notice the opportunity. Prices rise, yellow charts go upward. Monkey News starts talking about it every day. Monkey YouTubers appear with titles like, "This banana will make you rich," and "Why I'm selling my house to buy more bananas." Suddenly, everybody wants in. Which brings us to stage 3, mania. And this is where things get truly bananas. Teacher monkeys, barber monkeys, taxi monkeys, and even Funky Kong's dentist are all talking about banana investments. Nobody asks how much bananas are actually worth anymore. Everyone just says, bro, it only goes up. And that's where 2 powerful monkey emotions take over. The first is FOMO. Fear of missing out. One monkey sees his neighbor becoming rich and thinks, wait, why does he have 3 banana Lamborghinis while I'm still eating regular bananas? And the second is herd mentality, because monkeys see what other monkeys are doing and think, well, thousands of monkeys can't possibly be wrong, which historically speaking is exactly how thousands of monkeys end up being wrong together. But things become even crazier when leverage enters the jungle, and this is where King Kong himself shows up carrying an air pump. Imagine a monkey has 100 leaves. Without leverage, he buys 100 leaves worth of bananas. If prices rise by 10%, he makes 10 leaves. Nice. But then Bank Jungle says, hey buddy, why use only your own leaves? Here's another 900 leaves. Suddenly, the monkey controls 1,000 leaves worth of bananas. Now, if prices go up by 10%, he makes 100 leaves instead of 10. And the monkey thinks he's a financial genius. He starts giving interviews on Monkey News and posting motivational quotes on Banana Talk. But here's the problem. Leverage works both ways. If banana prices fall by just 10%, the monkey loses 100 leaves, which means his entire savings disappear, gone, vaporized, and Bank Jungle still wants its 900 leaves back. So the monkey discovers a very painful lesson. When you borrow too much, gravity becomes stronger than bananas. But eventually reality arrives, because one day a monkey suddenly remembers something shocking. Wait a minute, bananas are just fruit that grow on trees. And that tiny thought spreads through the jungle faster than free Wi-Fi. Suddenly, monkeys stop buying. A few monkeys start selling, then more monkeys start selling, and before long, panic spreads everywhere. Welcome to stage 4, panic. Yellow charts that only went up suddenly start falling off a cliff. Monkey YouTubers disappear. Monkey News changes its headlines from bananas to the moon to, is this the end of bananas? Everybody starts dumping bananas at the same time. And here's the harsh truth about bubbles. Early monkeys often make enormous amounts of leaves. But late monkeys, the ones who arrive after hearing that everyone is getting rich, usually end up holding expensive bananas nobody wants anymore. Especially the monkeys who borrowed leaves to buy even more bananas. And speaking of modern banana craziness, many monkeys today are asking the same question about AI. Artificial intelligence is amazing, and some banana companies may change the world, but many AI businesses still make little or no profit. Yet their prices keep climbing because investors believe giant gorilla companies and future expectations will save everything. Could this become another banana bubble? Maybe, maybe not, nobody knows. And that's exactly why bubbles are so dangerous. Nobody thinks they're inside one while it's happening. Because if somebody tells you prices only go up, if average monkeys are becoming rich overnight, if nobody talks about risk anymore, and if people are borrowing leaves just to buy more bananas, those are giant red warning signs hanging above the jungle. In the end, financial bubbles teach us one simple lesson. Making money slowly is boring, but losing money quickly is very exciting, usually for all the wrong reasons. Because history shows us something strange about monkeys. Every generation believes it has discovered a brand new way to become rich forever, and every generation eventually discovers that gravity still exists.